You see what I got in the mail, yo? Some Fenty Beauty lip balm, you know what I mean? And today we are gonna see how's it looking and then do a quick product review on it, all right? Let's see, man. Very excited. This is a unboxing video, free returns. I don't think I'm gonna be returning this. It's a lip balm, and it's supposed to be good. It got vitamin E on it and all that. Okay, so now here we go. Ooh, I'm excited. So this is what it looks like. This is what it comes in. It's like about, yeah, focus. And it says lip balm, ultra hydrating cherry lip balm. And it got a quick note on here too. A quick hit of cherry flavored hydration for soft, smooth lips infused with Barbados cherry extract to condition. And it has avocado oil to nourish, leaves a natural finish. Ooh, it got vitamin E. Here it says clean, Fenty Skin, I'm thinking FS, earth conscious. Ooh, so it's earth conscious, you know what I mean? Cool. Let's see what it looks like. Very excited to see it. Here we go. 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 Oh, I didn't think it would look like that. It's more like an oval shape. I thought it was like completely round and everything. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So this is what it looks like. Yeah. And this is the product, yo. Ooh. Yo, it's so dope. No cap. This is what it looks like. I thought it was like circular because of the way that it looks in pictures and everything. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Ooh. Lux Balm. Oh, this is so fancy, yo. It's crazy how you can see like the actual butter balm. All right. So now, let's do a quick review. Here we go. Dun, 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 dun. You count on 3, 2, 1, and then I'm opening 3, 2. Yeah. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. It smells good. Smells good. Okay. It actually has a twist. Now, man. All right. So now let's. So before we apply, right? So it has vitamin E, right? And with the vitamin E, it's supposed to be helping with hydrating, aging, and it also protects the lips. What else? It softens it. Like vitamin E is generally good for like skin health. So you know what I mean? So this is a good thing. It also has antioxidants. This is what the best thing about it is with vitamin E. The lips is like really soft tissue and everything. So to actually have some vitamin E on that, thank you. And it's supposed to be helping with exfoliation. Can't forget about that part. Yeah, let's see. You know what I mean? Yo, it smells so good. I'm not even done applying it. And then like, I smell the cherry, very buttery. You know what I mean? And then right away, soft lips. Yeah. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. And then it also gives the lips a nice shine. Like this is perfect for the men, like for real. Like this is the best thing that a man can have in 2024. Some vitamin E on their motherfucking lips to protect their lips any weather, anytime. You know what I mean? And then during the cold, you need this. And spring is coming up, and then it's gonna be windy and all that shit. Please get you some vitamin E, some Fenty. You know what I mean? Great for skin health. So final review, I have to give it a 10 out of 10 because it feels soft, it feels hydrating. My lips really be dry. I don't know if you noticed, but like my shit be dry. You know what I mean? But this is perfect, and this is perfect for aging and all of that. So men, get you that. Ladies too, get you some of this because this is perfect. I give it a 10 out of 10. Protect your lips, any weather, prevent aging. And then also hydrate your lip, exfoliate your lips, give your lips more health, apply some antioxidants on your lips, moisturize your lips, make your lips feel soft, make your lips smell good. You know what I mean? When you kiss someone, so it like, you know what I mean, be pleasurable. Don't you go around kissing like some dry ass lips and be cutting the other person's lips. Get you some good lip balm. You know what I mean? Get you some luscious lips, some moistured lips. Please. Thank you for watching. Hopefully I see you in the next one. You heard? All right.